Hello friends, welcome to Python tutorial for beginners series. So in this video we will discuss about type conversion. Okay, so at first let us see what is type conversion. So type conversion is basically it will convert from one data type to another data type. So whenever we work with any programming language, and so whenever we declare a data, so it is of some type, but sometime we want to convert this into another data type because each data type has certain or some benefits. Okay, so we will see in this value how to convert from one data type to another data type, which is very beneficial. So I've declared some values or declared some data. So the first one, if I think we all are aware, it is of type string. And if you are not aware of all this data type, please go through my this series in which I have discussed all the data types. Okay, so the first one is of type string, the second one is of type integer, and the third one is of type list. Now we will see how to convert from one to another. So at first we are going to convert string to list. So this is of type string a1, and this is the variable, a name. You can use any name. I've given a1. Okay, so this is of type string. Now I want to convert this into list. Okay, because there are some benefit of list, that it is easy to iterate through the list. Okay, anyway, we want to convert this. So to do the conversion, it is very easy. Okay, so if I have to convert to list, I have to just write like this, list, and then within bracket you have to give what you want to convert. So I want to convert this a1 data. Okay, so you have to just write like this, list a1. Okay, list a1, and by writing this, it has been a1 will be converted into list data type. Okay, now I will store this into another variable b1. Okay, you can use any variable. Now if I print b1, okay, if I print b1, then we can see. Okay, so first run this and then run this. Now if I print b1, you can see b1 has been b1 is of type list. Okay, so initially a1 was of type string, but to convert this you have to just write list, and then within this bracket you have to write what we want to convert. So in this case a1, and it has been converted. You can see welcome was initially of a string type, and now it has been changed into list data type. Okay, so this was way to convert this into list data type. Just write list and then bracket and then value. Now let us see another example in which we will convert from integer to float. Okay, so let's say this is the integer, a2 is integer. Now I want to convert this into float data type. So the same thing will apply here also. You have to just write float, and then within bracket you have to give this value. So I want to convert a2, so I have to give a2, and then I stored this into a variable b2. You can use any variable name. Now if I print b2 and then type of b2, you can see it will be of type float because it had been converted into float data type. So this is very simple. I think whenever you have to convert into some other data type, just you have to use this name, and then within this round bracket you have to give what we want to convert. Okay, similarly you can go through all this. Suppose integer to string. Okay, suppose I want to convert from integer to string. So integer was this a2 is in integer, and suppose I want this to convert into string, so you have to use str is basically string. So you have to just write str and then within bracket a2, because I want to convert a2, and then you can store it into another variable and then print it and then type of it. So type will what it will give, it will basically give string. So let me run this, and you can see it is of type str, which is string. So I think all these are very easy. Now we will see the last one, which is list to set data type. So this is a list we have declared, a3 is a list. Now let's say I want to convert this into set data type. So the same thing will apply here also. You have to just write like this, set, and then within bracket you have to give what we want to convert. So I want to convert a3 to set data type. Okay, and we can store this is another variable b3, and then print b3 and type of b3 we have printed. Now if I run this, you can see it is of class set. And one more benefit of this method is that set will basically, if you have not gone through my series, set basically prints the whenever we use set basically prints the unique values. So let's say so that's why I have given some duplicate value in case of list. So you can see 10 is here and also a 10 is here also. So there is duplication of values. And if you want that, okay, we want only unique value, so we will convert this into set, because set always give unique value. And you can see here also, initially this list was having the duplication of value 10, but in the set we are having 10 a single number of time. Okay, so this is the benefit of conversion. Now we will see that some conversion are not possible. Okay, it's not that we will convert from any data type to any other data type. So we will see here. So let's say I have declared a value, and I think we are aware that it is of type integer. So val equals to 532. So it is of type integer. Now suppose I want to convert this integer data type into dictionary data type. So it will not be possible. Okay. Why? Because if you have gone through my series of a dictionary data type, in which if you have not gone through it, please go through it. In case of dictionary, we store a pair, but we can see that integer is not a pair, but in dictionary we want a pair. So how can we do the conversion? So if I run this, you can see there is one error. Int object is not iterable. So there are some data types you can try it yourself. This is one task for you. Means just do some practice, you will get to know, and by seeing also you will be able to guess which data type conversion is possible and which is not. So this is one simple example, because see, dictionary want a pair and we are giving a single value, so it's obvious that it will not do the conversion. And the last question, there is one question for you. Try writing your answer in the comment section. Okay, so this is the question. So that's all from my side. Thank you guys.